Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a basic clicker game in Scratch. First, head over to the Scratch website and start a brand new project. Next, you'll need to pick a main sprite that players will click repeatedly. A simple cookie or a shiny coin works great. Once you've chosen your sprite, adjust its size. Setting it to about 80% of its original size usually looks good and keeps it clear on the screen. Now let's make your clicks count. Go to the Variables section and create a new variable, naming it Score. This will keep track of all the points your player earns. When the game starts, make sure to set your score variable to 0. Then, attach a when this sprite clicked block to your main sprite. Inside this block, simply add change score by 1 to increase the points with every click. To make your game feel more responsive, let's add some visual and audio feedback. When your main sprite is clicked, you want it to react. Try having it momentarily shrink down to 70% of its size, then immediately expand back to 80%. This small animation makes each click feel satisfying. You can also add a simple pop sound effect. Just search for pop in the sound library and play it alongside the size change. Let's introduce an upgrade system to keep things interesting. Create a new variable called Auto Clicker. This will represent how many automatic points you earn over time. You'll also need a cost variable starting around 10 points. When players want to buy an auto clicker, check if their current score is enough. If so, subtract the cost from their score, increase the auto clicker variable by 1, and then make the next upgrade more expensive, maybe by multiplying the cost by 5. Now let's make those auto clickers work. In a separate script, use a forever loop with a wait 1 second block. Inside this loop, you'll add points to your score based on your auto clicker variable. For example, multiply auto clicker by 0. 1 and add that to your score every second. This gives players a steady stream of passive income. Make sure both your score and auto clicker variables are displayed clearly on the screen for everyone to see.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.